Thanks. As Ashley mentioned, we have another Arctic blast heading our way this weekend. Dangerously cold temperatures can become a problem for kids at the bus stop and anyone outside walking their dog or doing physical activity. It's important to put safety in first in these bitter temperatures. Joining us to discuss safety tips and signs to look out for is Dr. Lin Monte with the Backus Hospital Emergency Department. Welcome. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So talk to us about the increased risk of hypothermia and frostbite this weather brings.
Sure. So temperatures this low can result in frostbite to exposed skin in just minutes. So these frigid temperatures should be taken seriously. And it's important to dress in multiple layers when you go outside, including hats, masks to protect your nose and your lungs from inhaling the cold air, and mittens rather than gloves to protect your fingers.
How dangerous can frostbite be?
Frostbite is most common on the fingers, the toes, nose, ears, and cheeks. So basically the small body parts that are exposed to cold air. Things to look out for are like cold skin with a prickly, burning-like sensation and sometimes numbness. You may even feel like your muscles get really stiff.
All right, let's talk about hypothermia. What are the signs for that to watch out for?
With hypothermia, you'd usually see like uncontrollable shivering, a weak pulse, confusion, disorientation, and drowsiness. So if you're experiencing any of those symptoms, it's really important to get to the ER as your body is losing heat a lot faster than it can be produced.
All right, now let's talk about as temperatures go down, it's only natural for people to turn on the heat to beat the cold, but it's important to do even that in a safe manner. Explain that.
Yes. So remember that home heating equipment is the main source of carbon monoxide poisoning in the home. That includes gas stoves, fireplaces, portable heaters, and even automobile exhaust, as some people want to warm their cars early in the morning. Keep in mind that carbon monoxide is an odorless gas, unlike propane that you'd smell from your stove or grill. So it's important to recognize signs and symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, such as severe headache, weakness, extreme fatigue, dizziness, and confusion.
Are you starting to see people come in with this in the Backus ER with these frigid temperatures?
So not quite yet. I'm sure shortly. I just feel like the really frigid temperatures in the teens just started this past week. Other than that, it's been a pretty temperate winter.
All right, Dr. Lin Monte, thanks for joining us.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.